Hi, Miss Aranya. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. Good day. I am Flordelisa V. Aranya. I am 29 years old from Bangasol, Cotabato, Philippines, and I am with my live-in partner.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have two kids. One girl, age 4 years old, and one boy, age 1 year old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers and four sisters, and I am the third child among the siblings.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I am college graduate of 4-year course, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experience here in Philippines as house helper for 5 years from May 2020 and March 2025. I served 6 members of the family, 1 couple, and 4 children. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing clothes and beddings, pet care, ironing, cleaning the house, gardening, and marketing. I also took care of newborn baby and 3 kids, all boys, ages 2, 4, and 7 years old.
Okay. Did you finish the contract?
Yes, sir, I finished my contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, cheerful, and loving mother.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad for my family, to support them financially, and save for the future of my kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will show them that I care for them by playing with them and being a friend to them.
Okay, that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.